Alright, so here's part 3 of trying every single thing inside these vending machines at my job. And today I'm going to do Takis. It's been years since I've had Takis. 128. And I am hella thirsty. I'm filling my cherry coke. Cool. Alright, so first things first. Let me have a sip because I'm thirsty. That's good. Alright, so Takis. I don't remember having these as a kid. And the few times I did try it as an adult, I just remember it being very salty and just not that good. It's been at least a couple years since I even had any. So yeah. No, I don't understand the craze for these. I do like the lemon flavor, but I don't know, something about it's just not, it's very underwhelming for me. I don't get it. Don't get me wrong, it's good. Maybe it's not horrible, but compared to like Hot Cheetos, and I'm not even a Hot Cheetos person, but Hot Cheetos is 20 times better than these. To be fair, this is the only flavor I've ever had. I know that they have like a bunch of new flavors now, so maybe those are good, but the vending machine only had this one, and it's alright. Alright, see what happens tomorrow.